Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable web extension or web add-ons in Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you don't want to necessarily remove the add-on, just want to temporarily disable it, I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Microsoft Edge and click on this three dot icon and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. So if you want to disable a specific extension from here, you just need to toggle this to off position, and you can also remove a specific extension totally by clicking on this remove option, or you can also visit the details about the extension. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.